Hi everyone, I'm Helena Patience from Entreflow Consulting Group. Thanks for joining us for another installment of the Entreflow Appy Hour. If you like what you see, please subscribe below to get tidbits on how to grow your business as well as to learn other great apps that you should check out. So this week we're going to be reviewing Feedb, which is spelled F-E-E-D-B, and it is a very cool app that has, not unlike many apps out there, to help assist companies to get reviews for their business, but this company has chosen to go after the QBO market, which has made our lives a lot easier with the integration that it has with Quickbooks. So I'll tell you more. So the kick-ass feature for this app is that it has the ability to send feedback requests to your clients or your network, and the feedback can get posted to sites such as Google, Yelp, and including the Intuit Find an Accountant page, which is pretty cool. The top features for this app is automatic feedback requests. So basically how it works is you get your contacts from QBO thrown into Feedb, and it integrates with QuickBooks, so it brings in your contacts via QuickBooks into Feedb, and then you determine who's going to be getting the feedback request. It gets sent out to those contacts that you choose, and basically if the person gives you positive feedback, then it gives them the opportunity to post feedback to a number of different sites within the app, or it directs you to the Find an Accountant page to write the review there. And luckily, if the feedback is not so positive, then the feedback goes just directly to the business owner. So rather than having people go straight to Google to write reviews, good, bad, the ugly, then you can be a bit more proactive with your reviews and have a mechanism to navigate those negative reviews that you might get. So another good feature with this, as I mentioned, is that it does integrate with QuickBooks, so it brings your contacts in so that you can manage those contacts super easily. And you can also tag the contacts. So you can, depending on the categories of your clients or your network, you can tag them in different ways so that they would get different types of feedback requests. Some of the requested features, we would like the ability to send out a feedback request to our clients to ask feedback on our employees who are assigned to work on their files. And that functionality is a little bit tricky to navigate right now, so it would be great to be able to do that piece. And then also to be able to pull reports based on the tags. So just a couple of very specific requests, but ones that would definitely make our workflow a lot easier. As far as the suitability, any company that is looking to grow their reviews, this would be a great tool to use. Like I said, there are lots of other tools out there. If you work with a digital marketing company, I'm sure they've put something in place for you, or you've talked about it. What I really like about Feedb, though, is that it does have that integration with QuickBooks that brings in your contacts, like I mentioned, but also that it connects directly to the, or redirects you to the Hire an Accountant, Find an Accountant page, which is handy for those of us who get lots of leads through there. The cost, so it starts at $49 per month and goes up from there depending on the number of reviews that you want to get on a monthly basis. I didn't mention as well that a lot of this can be automated too, so there's a lot of functionality in there that makes it a lot easier for the business owner, so you don't have to go in and manually send out the requests all the time. So it is good value for money given the time saving there. From an implementation perspective, it is easy peasy. Their team at Feedb are super helpful to get you set up and make sure that everything's connected and working well. I would say on the usability rating, we did rate this one as mediocre, only because it's a little bit tricky to master some of the more complicated functions within the app. So we have needed a lot of support to navigate some of the more complicated features. But for the basic functionality, it's pretty simple to pick up. Okay, so that is Feedb. Check it out. Very cool little app, and great that they've decided to target us accountants as a way to grow their business and for us to be able to better get reviews for our businesses. That's all for this segment of the Entreflow Appy Hour. Like I said, if you like what you see, please subscribe below to hear more tidbits on how to grow your business, and as well great apps that you should be checking out. I'm Helena Patience from Entreflow Consulting Group. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.